Hello everyone and welcome to this newest episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. First and foremost, thank you for all of you who are watching our videos and episodes obviously, and please keep on commenting and suggesting. Even if you don't like our videos, tell us what would you want to see on our channel. Today we're discussing something about upcycling, recycling and whatnot. So every month in our small village, at the end of the month, a lot of people throw away the glass bottles, containers, etc. They are collected for recycling, but we decided that every glass, bottle or container can be redone and reloved and decorating our homes. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you this one. We did a couple of years ago. We did this during a TV program. It was a live TV show. We used two colors to mix, Old Blue Eyes and Apple of My Eye. We blended in, and then we just put some strings up here and here. And this is one of the bottles that we usually decorate with in our home. One thing that's very good with these bottles is that you can do as much as you want, and then you can change according to your decorations, the seasons. For example, you can do quite some bottles for Christmas, for example. Then you change this one with something which is thematic of the season, and then you can have like your home would look different for every season and every occasion, or just up to your imagination. So we're going around the house and I'll be showing you the bottles that we have as decorations right now. We have others at our shop and at our warehouse, which we usually change accordingly. But today, these are the bottles that are displayed in our home. Let's go. So we're starting with three bottles that are just behind our lovely cat, Peppa. Say hello, Peppa. Hello, Peppa Dig. These are three bottles that we decorated quite some time ago, and we think that they really blend with the furniture that's underneath, which is basically this one. We have shown you this some time ago. We did with like a lot of blending, image, no, not image transit, raised stenciling, golds, and anything in between, including our favorite browning wax. So these three bottles here are in three different shades, some with sponging, and the one in front is just a plain color which suits our decoration. And here, believe it or not, this is a glass flower pot, and we painted it completely in frenchic colors because we use the frenchic furniture paint, of course, and this is the result. And it's still brand new after practically 3 years that we painted this glass container. Let me show you the inside. So here you might see the sheen here of the glass, because we painted from the outside, not from the inside. So this is the entryway. It's the hall of our house, and here we can find another bottle. This is a glass bottle. It was very big. And this we did also on a live TV program some years ago. And as you can see, we have like 3 different shades of color, some gold French sheen on it, and some clay molding, just to give it a little bit of perspective. So, and it's on this piece of furniture that we had done some time ago. It was mahogany, and we decided to change the color to a darkish brown, just to blend in with the whole, and with it also some napkin decoupage on the drawer, as you can see. Well, here we have a small glass jar. It was just a nondescript glass jar, and what we did, primarily we painted with wedding cake. We did image transfer here. This is a printed image transfer that we had printed with our laser printer, obviously. Then we did some brazing just to have the glass showing also, so it looks like an aged jar. We did some browning wax, and we added a ribbon, green ribbon on top. This is another jar. We did same process as the other one. It was painted with apple of my eye. We did an image transfer with a printed laser printer image. We used some browning wax, and then we did some cord at the top, and this is the result. This is another bottle we did some time ago, also during a live TV program. First we painted it in blackjack, then we used some mix of color. It was a love letter with blackjack to create the marbled effect. We put up some molds on each face of the bottle. As you can see, we used some French sheen, browning wax, and this is the result of this bottle. And it's next to our stove. And here we have the last 3 bottles we're showing you today. They are in a wooden box we did for ourselves. It's made of pallet wood, painted in creme de la creme, browning wax. We did also a printed image transfer over there, and some string. And these are the bottles. This one, you might have seen it during our program we produced last year. This has become a candle holder. We painted in hornblower. The lighter color is creme de la creme. We did an image transfer here, and we wanted it to look like it's being collected from the sea. So then we did some browning wax, a ribbon here, and a candle on top. This is a napkin decoupage with Parma violet, and this one we had this Lisbon souvenir up here. It was full of colors, and then we just decided to paint it into gold French sheen and browning wax. The bottle is also in hornblower. It had this self-design on the glass, so we just put on some French sheen and then browning wax. So this is the episode for today. Thank you very much for following us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell us what you think might be interesting to you to watch on our channel, please do so under this video. There's the comment section there. Just tell us what you'd love to see, and obviously to be an inspiration to you. See you next time. Ta-ta. Alla fini. Għax din hija id-del tiegħi. Pupa. Pupa.